This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Videshi hot sauce. Gather peppers, vinegar, salt, and a blender, then sterilize jars and prep your workspace. Start by roasting or boiling peppers to soften skins, then blend with vinegar and salt until smooth. Taste and adjust salt or vinegar, then simmer briefly to meld flavors. Bottle while hot into sterilized jars, seal tightly, and let rest for optimal flavor development. Select peppers with desired heat and flavor, then wash and dry them thoroughly before cooking. Roast or boil until skins blister, which concentrates flavor and eases peeling. Decide whether to keep seeds based on your heat tolerance, then roughly chop peppers for even blending. Combine peppers with measured vinegar and salt to create a consistent base, and prepare any added aromatics like garlic or onion for enhanced complexity. If you're enjoying this easy guide, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with homemade hot sauce discussions because budgeting and flavor both improve with simple systems. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Blend peppers with vinegar, salt, and any aromatics until smooth, scraping down sides as needed for an even texture. Taste the mixture and tweak acidity or salt to suit your palate, remembering heat and flavor concentrate as the sauce rests. Simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes to meld flavors and reduce raw edge, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Cool slightly before bottling to protect seals and preserve freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.